We're going to look at an arm alphabet now. This is a beautiful way to warm up your shoulders before you do any shoulder work. It just gives a little bit of lubrication for the shoulder joints themselves, and it's just an easy way for us to create multiple mini movements within that shoulder without overthinking about it. So this is what it looks like. Take one arm and reach it up towards the ceiling. So you just want to see where you're going to place the arm. Reach up as high as you can. Let your shoulder melt and sink until it comes to rest. The important thing is that you're not going to jam the shoulder down. You want to find the effort here and then the release of that effort so that the arm bone can just settle somewhere within that joint that feels comfortable and free. And then you're going to start drawing the alphabet, A, B, C, D, and so on. And you're just going to explore how many different directions can you move your arm. Yeah, how big are you going to make it? And once you've finished on that side, relax. And then we're going to come up on the other side, reach up, slowly allow the arm just to sink and melt. And then draw your alphabet on the other side. So it really doesn't matter whether you're doing lowercase or uppercase, whatever takes your fancy today. Have it I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z, or Z if you're living in America. So there we go. There is your arm alphabet. Nice juicy arms so that you can do whatever you want to do in terms of your workout.